Hey guys, what's happening? How to invest in crypto. First of all, understand the difference between trading and investing. Trading, buying and selling frequently to profit from volatility. Investing, buying and holding for months or years, betting on long-term adoption and growth. If you don't want to stare at charts every day, investing is the smarter path. Okay. Secondly, educate yourself first. Before plotting or putting money in the market, learn what blockchain is and why it matters. Understand Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins, and know the risks, volatility, regulation, scams. Rule 1: if you don't understand the project, don't invest in it. Next, pick a safe exchange or platform. Some trusted global options like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini checks, right? And also check for strong security, transparent track record, good liquidity. Never keep all your crypto on an exchange. Next, get a secure wallet, right? Get a hot wallet software like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, good for convenience. Cold wallet hardware like Ledger, Trezor, best for large and long-term holdings. If you are serious about investing, cold wallets are essential. Okay. Next, decide what to invest in. Not all coins are equal, right? But Bitcoin, for example, digital gold, safest long-term bet. Ethereum, smart contracts powering DeFi and NFTs. Blue chip altcoins like Solana, Polygon, and Avalanche. More risk, more upside. Stable coins like USDT, USDC, DAI, not for growth, but to park profits. So, a little tip, start with Bitcoin and Ethereum first, 70 to 80% portfolio, then diversify later, okay? Next, choose an investment strategy, okay? Buy a fixed amount, let's say $100 every week or month, regardless of price. Smooths out volatility. Buy and hold, right? Buy and keep for years, ignoring short-term noise. Thematic investing. Pick a sector like gaming, DeFi, AI, and invest in top projects, right? Rebalancing. Adjust your portfolio every few months. Like keep Bitcoin at 50%, Ethereum at 30%, altcoins at 20%, right? Next, manage risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't put all your money in one coin. Avoid hype-driven projects without real use cases. Keep some cash, stable coins or fiat to buy dips, okay? Next, think long-term. The crypto market moves in cycles. Bull runs, huge growth, euphoria. Bear markets, crashes, fear. Patience equals profit. Example, someone who bought Bitcoin in 2017 at 20K saw it drop to 3K, but held until 2021 over 60K. All right, and of course now 2025 over 110,000K. Right? 110K. So stay informed, but don't panic. Follow reliable news like CoinDesk, Missouri, Decrypt. Avoid hype influencers shilling coins. Remember, volatility is normal. Don't let fear or greed dictate moves. Right? Next, exit strategy matters. Decide in advance when to take profits. Example, sell 20% at 2x, 20% at 5x. Don't wait for the absolute top. Nobody can time it perfectly. Use stable coins or convert to fiat when needed. Okay? So investing in crypto is about patience, discipline, and security. Focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum and use dollar cost averaging. Protect your assets with the hardware wallet and avoid emotional decisions. Over time, the biggest winners are usually those who buy strong assets and hold them long term. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.